What's going on, everybody? Today is the day 2 of the free forex trading bootcamp, and we are going to be discussing market phases in this video. The forex market moves in three ways, right? We have the uptrend, we have the downtrend, and we also have the sideways. Some people call it consolidation, and some people call it ranging, right? And some people call it sideways. Me, I call it sideways. All right, the market is moving sideways around this level. So this is the three phase of the market. This is how it moves. For now, just to make things clear for you guys, right? The forex market don't just move in a straight line like this whenever it's on a bullish move, and it don't just move in a straight line like this whenever it's on a bearish move. This is the only phase that the market moves. Do you understand? That is cool on drawing here. So right now, as you can see, this is a resistance, this is a support. All right, this one move. This is how ranging moves. This is how ranging move. But for bearish and bullish move, it doesn't move like that. So right now, let's just clear this chart and let's make example of the bullish move. So right now, as you guys can see, price is on a bullish move here, right? But since price is on a bullish move, it's giving you a series of higher highs, a higher low, higher highs, a higher low, higher highs, a higher lows, higher highs and a higher lows. Right, they will also have a higher highs and a higher lows. This is how market moves whenever it's on a bullish move. Now, how do we take advantage of this market? Whenever market is on a bullish move, we look for a buying opportunity. Whenever market is on a bearish move, we look for a selling opportunity. So that is what we do here. So right now, let's look for another example of a bearish move. I'm going to look for a clean example of a bearish move. All right, let me look for a clean example of a bearish move. Let's just look for a clean example of a bearish move right now. All right, clean example of a bearish move so that I can show you guys how the market moves whenever it's on a bearish move and how it moves whenever it's on the bullish move. On here, we are just seeing an example of a bullish move. So let's look for a bearish move. Gold is just bullish around this level. Let's look for example of a bearish move real quick. Let me jump to the 1 hour time frame. Let us see, all right, if we will have a clean bearish move here on the gold market. So as you guys can see here, this is also a bearish. Okay, so as you guys can see here, this is a bearish move, right? Price, let's say on here we have a change of structure here. As you can see we have a support, a resistance, support, resistance here, and a support. Then this is like a big double top. This is the first top, this is the second top. Then we have the market. What do we have here? We have price broke this structure here. Do you understand? This is our support, and price took other support level below, break it, pulls back to retest around that level. So we are not jumping to retest right now, but we have a lower lows here and we have a lower highs, a lower lows and a lower highs, a lower lows and a lower highs, a lower lows and a lower highs. Then this is how price drop, right? This is the three phases of the market. When price is on a bullish move, price will be giving you a series of higher highs and a higher lows. When price is on a bearish move, price will be giving you a series of lower lows and a lower highs. Now, let's make example of a sideways move here. So on here, we have a support here, a support here, support here, support here, and also a support here, just like that. Let me clone this key level right now. Just like this, right? So we have a resistance here. So what did price do? Price is currently moving sideways. We have a support, a resistance, a support, a support, a support here, then a resistance, here. Then price finally broke, give us a support here, still move to the upside a little bit and drop, pulls back to retest on this key level. Now, how do you trade this type of market move? When market is on a bullish move, how do you trade it? When market is on a bearish move, how do you trade it? So as you can see from this example, let me just start like this. First of all, if price is on a bearish move, it will give you a lower lows and a lower highs, just like this. You as a trader right now, you have to take advantage of this key level of your support, right? So now what would you do? You wait for price to break your support, pulls back, turn your support into a resistance, just like this. This is how you look for a selling opportunity, or you take advantage of the market. So let's say, as you can see, we have a support here, support here, support here. Before price broke our support zone, pulls back, retest. Do you understand? Price pulls back around this level, retest. And this is it. You can see it is the same example, right? So drawing may look very neat, clean, but trust me, the chart will not be that neat and clean like that. So now let's go to the example, the first example that we did on the bullish move, right? So now, whenever price is on a bullish move, right, price will be giving you a series of higher highs and a higher lows, just like we said. And how do we take advantage of the bearish move, right? So of the bullish move, sorry, we will have a series of higher highs and a higher lows, just like this, right? So price broke our resistance zone just like this. What do we expect? We expect price to broke our resistance zone, moves back, turn our resistance here into a support, then we'll look for a buying opportunity. Looking from this clean example here, right, what do we have here? We have a higher highs here and a higher lows, right? So on here is our resistance zone. On here is our resistance zone. Now, what did price do on that resistance zone? Just like that, price broke, moves back to retest, turn our resistance here into a support. And right now, this is how price start moving. Now, if I should move that example from the chart right now, you can see, just take a look at it. Same thing here, and this is how the forex market moves. This is how you should take advantage of the market. Now, let me just now, why are we having this type of higher highs and higher lows? Now, if price is on a bullish move, let's say if price is on a bullish move just like this, that means buyers are in control of the market. And if price turns to a bearish move, which is this higher lows, these higher highs, the higher lows, which is called the correction move. Now, this place is impulsive move and this place is correction. All right. So the correctional move here is sellers taking over the market. But sellers couldn't hold the market that much, then buyers took control again. So this is a buyers winning here, and this is a sellers winning here. But as you can see right now, sellers don't really control the market on here, just like that, since the market is on a bullish move, right? Buyers are only taking advantage of this move. You understand? So on here, buyers took advantage here, sellers took advantage. Then we have buyers took advantage here, sellers took advantage. And as you can see, the buyers that are taking advantage of this move are more bigger than the sellers. All right. When buyers take control of a bullish move, they are more bigger than the sellers. That is why you should be looking for you should only be looking for buying opportunity. Now, let me show you an example. Let's say you have a buyer. Look at how long buyers is, all right? I'll drop the buyer here. And look at how short sellers is. And I'll drop the seller here. Can you compare this move? Let me just say this one start from here still. Just take a look. This type of a seller move right now on a bearish move, if you take advantage of a selling opportunity on a bullish move, the market will tend to hit you out quickly. Do you understand? So that is how all these things works, and this is the three phase of the market. The market don't just move in a straight line. The market moves in a series of higher highs and higher lows. Whenever this is just like I'm trying to reverse now, the market moves in a series of higher highs and higher lows whenever it's on a bullish move. And whenever market is on a bearish move, we move in a series of lower lows and lower highs. And whenever market is moving sideways, it will be consolidating, giving you a support, a resistance, a support, a resistance. And this is how it is, right? So guys, this is how you should be trading the market faces, and this is the understanding, clear understanding of the market faces. Just like I said, guys, this is the part 2 of the free forex trading bootcamp. The part 3 is going to come tomorrow. So if you love this video, turn on post notification and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you turn on post notification to get notified whenever I drop a new video.